this is not exactly a fun walk back. As you can see, I'm here at one of the trails at the bird sanctuary in Dauphin Island, Alabama. Late evening. You can barely see anything in this video, but there's a little more light than that. I'm walking at a decent pace, right direction. I think that is most critical right here. Kind of dark, extremely spooky sounds. The only good thing is that I'm on my way back after viewing some wonderful scenery. You could back at the lake, might be able to see one of my videos from there actually as well. Just beautiful. And what makes this walk a little more scarier is the fact that does it say bandit area? No, just banding area. Oh my god. Parking lot. Whew. That was a close save. Okay, what makes this thing a little more scarier is when I take along another trail earlier in the day and there's a lot more light, I did spot a snake. Fortunately, a reasonably small one. But I hope I'm not gonna get into any such adventures now. Just to give you a short look around. That's the woods, or the sanctuary rather, which for now looks like a deep dense forest to me. And yet again, I guess that's all that matters. Okay, better pace up and get out of here alive. Ta-da!